नमस्ते एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू बी फिट विद योगा। आज की जो हमारी वीडियो है इसमें हमने कुछ मूवमेंट किए हैं जो कि आपके टाइट थाई मसल्स और हिप मसल्स को फ्लेक्सिबल बनाने में हेल्प करते हैं। जिनका भी थाइज और हिप मसल्स टाइट हैं उनके लिए ये सीक्वेंस बेनिफिशियल होगा। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट टुडेज वीडियो। नाउ सिट इन दंडासन, बेंड द राइट लेग एंड ड्रॉप योर राइट नी राइट साइड। अपने राइट हैंड से राइट फीट को पकड़िए और उठाइए ऊपर एंड देन प्लेस योर राइट आउटर आर्च ऑफ योर फीट टू योर लेफ्ट इनर एल्बो एंड योर राइट नी प्लेसिंग टू योर राइट इनर एल्बो एंड देन लॉक योर फिंगर. Lock your finger. Now if you can lift the leg up front of your chest. If you are beginner, so you can just little bit bend the legs toward the belly, and then from here we will going to swing our leg. So inhale and exhale with the normal breath. Just push it back and front. Try to push your knee back as much as you can. Open your hip as much as you can. Stretch your thigh muscles, the back of the thigh muscles, your buttocks muscles. Now bring it back. Inhale and exhale. Take it back and front. Now keep doing this movement 10 to 12 rounds with the normal breath. Keep moving. Now inhale. As you exhale, come back center. Drop the right feet down. Release the right leg front side. Now same thing other side. Bend it. Drop the leg. Lift up your feet and then place your left outer arch feet to your right inner elbow and then left knee to your left inner elbow. Again lock your finger, lift the legs up, straight the spine. Now again same movement, same what you did with the right leg. Just keep swing your legs. Same thing you have to do 10 to 12 round here also. Keep moving. मूवमेंट देते लीजिए अपने पैर को, अपने लेग्स को, अपने थाइस को. स्ट्रेचिंग कीजिए अपने लेफ्ट थाई मसल्स को. धीरे से कम बैक एंड देन रिलीज द लेफ्ट लेग फॉरवर्ड. नाउ वी हैव अ सेकंड मूवमेंट विच इज़ बटरफ्लाई. सो दोनों पैरों को बेंड कीजिए. ड्रॉप द बोथ नीज आउटसाइड. अब अपने दोनों पैरों को अपने हिप की तरफ खींचिए. योर फीट ऑफ द सोल्स टुगेदर. नाउ इफ यू आर फ्लेक्सिबल, so take your heels close to the hip. If not, so little bit away from your hip, it's okay. Now next is you have to lock your fingers under your feet. अपने fingers को lock कीजिए feet के नीचे and then straight your spine. Now from here we will going to do butterfly movements. So inhale and with the exhale, with the normal breath you have to do up and down, up and down, up and down. So the movement come from your root of your thighs. So keep moving your legs up and down. Now you have to do this 1 to 2 minutes. Just keep doing up and down, up and down. Keep moving, keep flap your legs with a straight spine. Now stop the movement and then with the help of your hands bring your legs together and hug for a while. Now slowly release the both legs front side. Sit in Dandasana again. Now next is double pigeon pose. So for double pigeon pose, bend the both legs and then take your left leg under your right knee and now take your right feet resting over your left knee. So drop the right knee over your left feet. Fingertip side of the body. Active your feet, flex your feet, straight your spine. Now raise the both hands up over your head. Straight the hands up, pull your spine up. Now inhale. As you exhale, rest the finger front of your knees, front of you. Now fingertip. Inhale, look front side and then very gently walk your hands forward with a straight spine at your hip. Come forward, your chest completely open, stomach in and then look front side as much as you can. Inhale. As you exhale, keep walking forward. your feet active. Don't lose your feet, just active and flex. Inhale and exhale. If you can drop the head down. Just hold for a while. Breathe there. Inhale and exhale. Now inhale, look front side. As you exhale, walk your hands back. Inhale, both hands up. Now you can go one more round. Exhale, hands down, fingertip, and then walk your hands forward. As much as you can, just go forward. And then hold there for 5 to 6 count. Now inhale, look up, and with the exhale, walk your hands back. Inhale, raise the both hands up, and then exhale, release the hand down. Release the right leg front and release the left leg front. Now change the leg. So bend the leg, take your right feet under your left knee, and then left leg over your right knee. Now from here, inhale, raise the both hands up over your head. Now those are beginners who cannot sit properly in this pose, so they can just sit in cross leg. This pose also help to stretch your thigh muscles. So okay, inhale. Now as you exhale, fingertip on the ground. Inhale, upright. Now walk your hands forward. Straight your spine forward. Inhale. As you exhale, if you can, rest the forehead down on the ground, but keep straightening your hand, keep walking your hands forward. Now inhale, exhale, just hold 5 to 6 seconds there. Inhale, lift the head up, and exhale, walk your hands back. Inhale, raise the both hands up, and exhale, release the hand down. Release the both leg front side in Dandasana. Now you can just move your legs, shake your thighs. Okay, now from here, just lie down on your back for the next movement. So lie down on your back, straight your legs forward, your feet together, your palm facing down, relax the shoulder. Now from here, bend the both leg, bend the right and left. Now rest the right feet over your left knee. Inhale, exhale. Now inhale, lift the left feet off the ground, and then bring your left thigh toward your chest, and then take your hands inside, lock the finger underneath your left knee, and then grab it. Now if possible, so bend your elbow outside and pull the left thigh toward your chest, and push the right knee away from your chest. So it will help to stretch your right thigh, your back of the thighs, your hip muscles, your buttocks. Inhale, exhale. If you are beginner, you can just hold here normally. No need to pull up, just stay there. Inhale. Now as you exhale, drop the left knee down, release the hand down, release the right leg down. Now change the leg, take your left leg over your right knee, and then inhale, lift the right feet off the ground. Again, lock your finger just behind your right knee, lock it. Now if you are beginner, just hold here. If you can, so you can just bend the elbow and pull the legs toward your chest, so it's stretch your back of the thigh muscles more. Just stay here 5 to 6 count, hold there, remain there. Inhale. Now as you exhale, slowly and gently release the finger, release the hand down, release the feet down, release the both leg down, straight the leg. Move your legs, and shake your thighs and legs. Now gently bend the both legs and then turn your right side and slowly come up. Thanks for watching this video. Like and share this video. For more video, subscribe to Be Fit with Yoga and stay safe, stay healthy. Namaste. Thank you. Bye bye.